Hey crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I am back with another pour. This is the first video that I am posting since my little break that I took. So, welcome back guys, and welcome to any of my new crafties that have tagged along since my break started. I'm going to be doing a dirty pour for the Independence holidays this year, and I've been having this particular idea for a minute, so I'm just gonna test it out and see how it looks on the canvas. I might have more than one pour because, as you guys always know, I can't pour paint to save my life. I always pour too much. And then it's been a minute personally since I've done a video, so I'm like just coming back. So anywho, I'm painting over a 16 by 20 inch canvas, so that's why I say I might have to do another pour off camera because your girl has too much paint. All of my paint has silicone in it, so I look forward to seeing how the colors collide. I'm stirring this a little bit. Okay. Looks so beautiful in the cup. It's already selling up, and well, y'all know I'm in love with wet paint anyway, so but this just adds an extra little bit of aesthetic to it. Okay, I do have very little paint left over. I'm going to see if I have a smaller surface later on to do this pour on. I'm just going to set these to the side so they don't get mixed paint in them. Alright, and so now I'm going to get pouring. So I kind of want to do them at the same time. So, problem solving. I'm just going to try that. That's already kind of interesting. So now I'm going to mix, well, not mix, but switch my hands. Oh yeah, I'm going to have to definitely do another painting, guys. Oh, look at that. Let's start shifting some things around. Expanding those cells, covering my sides, because as y'all know, I always forget to paint my canvas first. So I think I'm going to come around over here with my red, white, and blue cup and just do that. And I'm gonna do it over here just a wee bit. Oh, now the tree ring shows up. Isn't that a booger? And now, like at the bottom of my cup, my red, white, and blue mixture is way more vibrant. Well, now I'm angry. But it's gonna make for some unique effects. Throughout this. Just gonna kind of do that. I always have some really interesting and weird ideas for my pours, but it comes down to having the space to do them and the inspiration. Sometimes, you know, your girl just has art block and she won't do a single thing. I'm gonna come in over here and maybe get some more of this vibrant color in the center over here. And maybe a little bit of it right here. And I always enjoy a good paint splatter. But I think that came out really darn well. So when it dries, you know what? No, before it dries, I'm going to dismount and I'm going to show you guys what I have. Alright guys, this is what I have. My little unique take on the Independence Day holiday. Just want to zoom in, kind of move around. Excuse the shakiness, I don't have a gimbal yet. Look at those cells. And then look up here at these cells. Man, I'm happy with how this came out. Just gonna zoom out some. And it's kind of a mess in here, which, you know, here lately I've been exploring more of the drips and splatters with my paintings, and this little guy right here is probably my favorite, well, my second favorite spot of the whole painting. Then as you get over here, it gets more complicated, and over there it gets more vibrant. So vibrant. I love that. But okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, go ahead, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy making!